Good morning everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Let's get started. In today's video, I am going to explain under voltage relay. I will show you how it works, how it is connected with the controlling power supply. I will also demonstrate the practical connection and explain the diagram. Now let's understand the connection diagram. As you can see here, these are line 1, line 2, line 3 terminal, and this is the neutral terminal. Okay, so line 1 connect with R phase, line 2 connect with Y phase, and line 3 connect with B phase, neutral connect with neutral. Also you can see here there are three terminal called 15, 16 and 18. Okay, so 15 is the common, this is the controlling supply connected. I have connected from, you can see, B phase to 15. Then 16 I have connected with the off indication. Okay, and 18 connected with, also you can say, is a silent conductor. Okay, so 15 is the common, 16 connected with off indication, and 18 connect with our contactor. I'm going to switch on the MCB. Let's see. Okay, when I switched on the MCB, you can see there is indication for relay on, and you can see there is off indication. Now you can see by the green indication the silent contactor is off condition, because there is a time delay. I have put the time delay 1 minute. Until 1 minute you can see the off indication is on. When the time delay finished, then our contactor will be on. You can see, the indication is off now because the time delay is not finished. So once the time delay finished, our contactor will be switched on. Okay, so you can see now the contactor is on. It's became red from green, and there is also, you can see, it is normally closed, and off indication is also off. Okay, so that is how, during the normal condition our under voltage relay work. So let's see what will happen if one of the phase disconnected or by mistakenly any technician. Okay, so what will happen? So this is live, breaker. You can see now the contactor is energized, and under voltage relay there is, green indication. So I am disconnecting one of the cable. Okay, so it is live now. I am using the insulated screwdriver for safety. Okay, what will happen? See. Okay, so this is one of the yellow cable. Okay, so I am disconnecting this cable. See, I have disconnected. What happened? Immediately you can see the contactor is de-energized, the contactor is off, and there is no indication. Why? Because I have disconnected one of the phase from the MCB. Okay, so that is how your UVR react if there is any under voltage or any of the phase disconnected. We checked how the relay works during normal condition, and if one of the phase disconnected, what will happen with the control circuit. Now we are going to check if one of the phase completely not connected with circuit, what will happen? Will it switch on the contactor or not? So let's disconnect the phase and check. One of the phase has been disconnected. Okay, so let me tight the terminal. Okay, so now I will switch on the breaker. Okay, let's see what will happen. So you can see the off indication is there, the contactor is off. We'll wait for 1 minute. Let's check what will happen. 1 minute, what we found, you can see still the off indication is on, and the contactor is still off. It is not sending power to the auxiliary supply of the contactor or getting on, because one of the phase failed.